What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharice, or you can call me Ree. This will be a quick video. It's just about how I dermaplane my face. If you're a hairy face girl like myself, then this video is definitely for you. I just washed my face with this Biore charcoal face wash and let my pat dried my face and let my face completely dry. You want to do this on a completely dry face. You want to just go in, hold the razor at a 45-degree angle and hold your skin tight, and then just in short strokes just go in and you'll see you guys have to excuse me, I'm a little sick, so I'm breathing extra hard. You can just see all of the dead skin that it's scraping up. I normally get my eyebrows threaded, so I'm gonna avoid that general area. But you can just see my skin getting brighter. You can see all the hair and the peach fuzz that's being scraped off. I don't know if you can see this razor, but it has so much peach fuzz and dead skin, so I'm just trying to go in and clean it off with some paper towel that has witch hazel on it. So you can see just off of dermaplaning, my face is like already brighter. But yeah, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Do you dermaplane your face? It's super easy to do at home. Be sure to wash your face off, or not wash it off, but be sure to use some witch hazel and just use that on your face and then moisturize after, and you'll have poppin' skin. But yeah, definitely be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you dermaplane your face, if your face is super hairy like mine. Let me know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video. Check you guys later. Bye.